These days, Strawgate, or Strawgate 2018, I guess, has got everybody looking for non-plastic or reusable, usually metal straws. So there's metal, there's silicone, and there's also some plastic ones that are like the ones you get in your tumblers. Now let's take a look at the low to high pricing. Here's one of the metal options that comes with a stainless steel, a silicone tip. You can take those tips off to wash them, and in this case, they're charging you based on, looks like the color. Actually, no. If you say from China, it's going to say 80 cents free shipping. And if you go from United States, it's going to say 80 cents, $5.26 shipping. So, you know, I never choose it from the States. That's an example of the one with the silicone tip. The other ones you're going to find are going to have the iridescent metal to them, and they'll either be straight or curved. Then there's, I'm skipping over the ones for the yerba mate. You'll also find thicker ones for bubble tea and smoothies and things like that. And then there's also the ones that are keychain flip out ones. So let's just start with low to high so I get the basic stainless steel. So I was poking around in this yesterday and I found this one where you can get 8 pieces, including 3 cleaners, cleaning brushes, and that's going to be, what did it say? $3.02. So now if I'm in here and I just flip through the rest of them, you'll see that their other options have like 4 curved, 4 straight, 4 curved, 6 curved, 8 curved, just the brush, just 1. So when you click on them, you'll see the different prices as you flip through. Then that's for the stainless steel straws. If you were going to also look for silicone, that's a little different. There's quite a bit more to choose from. And my critique of these is that they don't have a lot of guts. And so, for instance, these ones here, you can't really push easily through a cup top or it'll bust them. But they're still not bad. And they're pretty big. They're smoothie sized, most of them. And then you're going to find the ones that are a kit. You put them together. Those ones look like they have a little bit more guts, like they could actually push through a drink top. And then, there's the ones with the keychain. The ones with the stainless steel base instead of the plastic saving bit are generally $3 more than the plastic ones. So the trick is really to learn how to do that low to high sorting. And from there, you can poke around and you get a feel for what the different sellers are offering. Hopefully that's a good start. By all means, comment with any questions. I can always try to lead you to a better one or another option, another seller. Cheers.